PhilChamps Day 2. Boom. Shirts. Certificate. ID. So no one confuses me and Shello again. And competitor kit. Let's see what's inside. Raffle ticket. What's inside? What's else? ID. Lanyard. ID holder. Lanyard and... Oh, it's just Ganlu. That's we're efficient. We're efficient with this.
That's it.
Boom, we're efficient. 2 minutes, dude. 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes.
Sub 2.
This happened at one of my classes.
I'm ready. Ready, Shelly? I'm ready.
You know what to like You know what to drop the ID?
I'll learn how.
Imagine if someone gets this. There you go. 0.92.
Most of us are from here. There's so many of us. What was that?
Let's start with 3x3. Bravo, group number 1.
Boy, just eat all. Here, have two left. Where else? Bro. Bro, what are you doing?
Hi. Do you prefer the blue side? I mean the black side?
Yes. That's mine, by the way.
Would you be mad if I flipped him over?
No.
Okay, I'll flip him over.
Okay. I made a mosaic of him yesterday. Yeah. He's Dad's mascot. He's Nate. He brings everyone good luck. I decided to copy Nicole because Nicole has her off the bus. Here at the 100% fine. We're gonna say
There's nothing wrong with that.
I'm in the fifth
Number
group.
1, please judge this.
No, I want you to judge me.
Inviting everyone to please practice clean as you go and kindly look after
Volunteering without being
more
volunteers.
passengers and one and
Yes.
all will not be held liable for any losses once you are belonging.
Oh, he stole it.
Ano ba to?
B9.
If this is a good cube, I'm gonna steal it.
B9.
If it's a bad cube, I'm not gonna steal it.
It's a B9. He's stealing my cube. Oh, my guy. Yay! He gave it back. It's a bad cube then. It's a bad cube? Johnson, it's a bad cube.
I didn't say that. I just prepared
Try
the
it.
cube.
It's very tight. Everyone says it's slow and it is. Grab it. Go, go. The
It's
B10.
good, it's good. It's good, it's good. Okay.
And it's good.
Do you want me to borrow
Alpine.
it? I'll borrow it later, no question. Oh, this is good as well. I'll borrow both of your cubes too.
Both of them. How?
Alternating.
One and warm up.
3 by 3 by 3 by 3.
Sure.
3 by 3 by 3.
So mine is it's also very tight though. I like it like extremely slow. No, I like it like extremely slow. Wait, do you need the scramble?
Okay guys, you have to lock in. We are delayed by an hour, bro.
An hour?
Yes, so you have to lock in.
Is this Tommy's? This is Tommy's.
We'll find out.
That's Tommy's, isn't it?
What a me problem.
He dropped Tommy's cube on my arm and it hurt. Ready? Okay. Yes! No. Yeah. Oh boy. She's gonna make Tommy later, isn't she? Solve it.
I can.
Make him solve it. Let's give it, bro. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, ass. You want Tommy, you scramble it. Sorry. You suck at this.
You're a disgrace to the blind community. Oh, no. Not community. I mean, the blindfolded community.
Are you calling her ableist? Huh?
No.
Huh?
Kulang po kami ng 5 more judges. Again, yung mga tinawag po, please judge for this group.
Eight. Is this a real scramble? Sub six. That's sub six. Sub seven.
PhilChamps 2025.
Let's help before we go so we can get that.
What?
Let's help before we go so we can get whatever that limited edition thing is.
Yeah. That's supposed to. Ay, naku. Again. I keep plus doing 45s. Okay, wait. 45 point? Oh, shit.